In this video, I will show you how to turn on 5G on your iPhone. 5G is the latest mobile network technology. It offers faster speeds and better connections. Enabling 5G on your device is simple and can be done in just a few steps. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once in Settings, tap Cellular, or it may be labeled as Mobile Service, depending on your region. On this page, look for Cellular Data Options, or again, it might say Mobile Data Options. Tapping here will lead you further into the configurations related specifically to mobile data. Next up is selecting Voice and Data. This section allows you to choose how your phone utilizes network capabilities. If your iPhone supports 5G, and most newer models do, you should see an option for 5G right here. Depending on your preferences and needs, tap either 5G Auto or 5G On. Choosing 5G Auto means that when a strong enough signal is available, your phone will automatically switch over from LTE to utilize that sweet, high-speed connection. For those who want their device always connected via the highest speed possible, regardless of signal strength, select 5G On. After selecting your preferred setting for voice and data, go back and tap on Data Mode, which helps manage how much data can be used while connected to a cellular network. In this menu, tap on Allow more data on 5G if you want apps like streaming services or video calls to take full advantage of higher speeds when using mobile data. This can enhance quality, but keep in mind it may use more data than usual. Now that everything is set up correctly, you're ready to experience blazing fast internet with your newly activated iPhone on a compatible cellular plan. So, that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.